Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing great. Let's solve today's Leetcode problem 1437. Check if all ones are at least k places away. Okay, given a binary array nums and integer k, return true if all ones are at least k places away from each other, otherwise returns false. Okay, so array contains ones and zeros. Okay, whenever we encounter any one, this the particular one is at least k distance away from other ones. Okay, so if you see, there are no more ones before this particular one, so no need to check the distance. Now while traversing through the array, I have encountered one more one. Okay, this one i should I should know whether there is a one which is previous to this particular one. If yes, if there is a one which exists before this one, and if it is at least k distance away, then it's a valid one for us. Okay, and we'll go to the next and we'll continue traversing, and whenever we encounter another one, the same algorithm, if there exists a one which exists before it, and if it is k distance away, then it's a valid one. If not, then straight away we can return it false. Okay, so it is pretty easy solution, and you can simply apply the brute force algorithm. Okay, so I've kept a variable called pre, which will tell me whether I have encountered one previously or not. Okay, if it is -1, that means I haven't encountered any one so far. Okay, now while I am iterating, whenever I encounter 0, I don't have to perform anything, I can simply skip it. Okay, if not, if it is not 0, that means I have encountered one, right? So if this condition also I can remove. And if previously if I have encountered one, okay, that means prev is basically contains the index of one which we have encountered. Okay, so if there exists one at a particular index, then the distance between the previously encountered one and the current one, if it is less than k, okay, that means if it is not at least k distance away, I have to return false, or else I can update my current one with previous, so that this will become previous to my next coming one, right? And then once all the iteration is done, that means all the ones were at least k distance away from each other. So let's try to run this algorithm. Okay, basic test cases were passed. Let's try to submit this. All the test cases were passed, and also as you can see, it is pretty efficient solution. Before analyzing the time complexity and space complexity, I request you to kindly subscribe to the channel so that you won't be missing the daily content which I'm posting. And let's grow together by solving one Leetcode problem every day. Okay, so as you can see, we are just iterating to the entire area single one time. Okay, that means the time complexity will be big of n, and we are not using any extra space, right? So space complexity would be order of 1. Okay, that's all about this problem. Thank you.